Kurunji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
Free bus for LKG to 8th standard.
Free, hygienic and nutritious food.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurunji Education Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurunjischoolnkl.in.
Hello students, today we will start exercise 2.3. Okay, before going to exercise 2.3, once we'll revise what is a function. Okay, a function is a relation in which every element in the domain is mapped to exactly one element in codomain. Okay, nothing but if you write as ordered pairs, no two ordered pairs must have same first element. Okay, that is the basic definition. Now here some relations given, we have to check whether these relations out of them which is function. Okay, and if it is a function, what is its domain, what is its range. Okay, what is the question here? Which of the following relations are functions? Give reason. Okay, if it is function, determine its domain and range. Okay, here first question, relation contains the ordered pairs 2, 1, 5, 1, 8, 1, 11, 1, 14, 1 and 17, 1. Okay, first we will discuss first question, first part. So relation R contains the ordered pairs 2, 1, 5, 1, ordered pair 8, 1, 11, 1, ordered pair 14, 1, ordered pair 17, 1. Now if you write it as a diagram, so here 2 is mapped to 1, 5 is mapped to 1, 8 is mapped to 1, 11 is mapped to 1, 14 is mapped to 1, 17 is mapped to 1. Okay, if you observe here, every element in the domain is mapped to exactly one element in codomain. Every element in the domain is mapped to exactly one element in codomain. Okay, so it is a function. Okay, that is what it is written here. It is clear from the diagram that no two ordered pairs have the same first component. No two ordered pairs have the same first component. So every element in the domain is mapped to exactly one element in codomain. So it is a function. Okay, what is domain of the function? What is range of the function? Okay, set of first components of ordered pairs comes under domain. Set of second components of ordered pairs comes under range. Okay, so what are the first components of ordered pairs here? 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. Okay, so domain is a set of elements 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 and 17. What is range here? Okay, range is set of second components of the ordered pairs. Here we have only one element, that is what? 1. So it is a range is singleton 1. What kind of function it is? If you observe, every element in the domain is mapped to a single element. This is a constant function. It is a constant function. Okay, generally, if every element in the domain is mapped to single element, it is a constant function. Okay, next, second one, R is given as ordered pair 2, 1, 4, 2, 6, 3, 8, 4, 10, 5, 12, 6, 14, 7. Okay, if you draw the diagram, now what we have, ordered pair 2 is mapped to 1, 4 is mapped to 2, 6 is mapped to 3, 8 is mapped to 4, 10 is mapped to 5, 12 is mapped to 6, 14 is mapped to 7. Okay, now if you observe, every element in the domain is mapped to exactly one element in codomain. Okay, every element in the domain is mapped to exactly one element in codomain. Okay, also no two ordered pairs have same first component. No two ordered pairs have same first component. So this relation is a function. This relation is function. Okay. Here a relation is function if every element in the domain is mapped to exactly one element in codomain, or else no two ordered pairs in relation have the same first components. No two ordered pairs in the relation have same first component. Okay. Now here 2 is mapped to 1, 4 is mapped to 2, 6 is mapped to 3, 8 is mapped to 4, 10 is mapped to 5, 12 is mapped to 6, 14 is mapped to 7. Okay. So distinct elements are mapped to distinct images. Okay. Now what is domain? Domain is set of first components of ordered pairs. So domain is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Domain is set of elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. Okay. Next, what is range? Range is set of second components of ordered pairs. Set of second components of ordered pairs. Now what are the second components here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So nothing but range is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that is the range of this function. Next, third one, what is given relation R is equal to ordered pair 1, 3, 1, 5, 2, 5. Okay, if you draw the diagram, here 1, 2, okay, 3, 5. So 1 is mapped, according to this, 1 is mapped to 3, 1 is mapped to 5, 2 is mapped to 5. Now if you observe here, ordered pair 1, 3, ordered pair 1, 5. These two ordered pairs have same first element. What it is? 1. Means an element 1 is mapped to more than one element. So this relation is not a function. This relation is not a function. Okay. Because ordered pair 1, 3, ordered pair 1, 5, these two components, these two ordered pairs have same first component. Okay, these two ordered pairs have same first component. So this relation is not a function because one having more than one image. Okay, image of one is what? 3 as well as 5. Okay, so this relation is not a function. Relation is given as R is equal to ordered pair 1, 3, ordered pair 1, 5, ordered pair 2, 5. Okay. Now if you draw the diagram, ordered pair here 1, 1, 2, so 1, 2, okay, here 3, 5, so according to here ordered pair 1, 3, so 1 is mapped to 3, ordered pair 1, 5, 1 is mapped to 5, ordered pair 2, 5, 2 is mapped to 5. Now if you observe here, two ordered pairs, ordered pair 1, 3 and ordered pair 1, 5, these two ordered pairs have same first component. These two ordered pairs are having same first component. What is 1? Okay. What we can say is 1 has more than one image. 1 has more than one image. Okay. Whenever two ordered pairs have same first component, then the relation is not a function. It is not a function. It is only a relation. So this relation is not a function. This is only relation. Okay. Next question. Okay. My next question, find domain and range of the following real functions. First one is f of x equal to minus mod x. Second one, f of x equal to square root of 9 minus x square. Right. Find domain and range of the function. But domain means what values we can give for the function, what values we can give for the variable. Range means what function is giving by giving different values for the variable. Okay. Now first question, what is f of x? F of x is equal to minus modulus of x. Minus modulus of x. Now here mod x, already we discussed last class, mod function is defined for all real numbers. Mod function is defined for all real numbers. Now whatever real number you give here, okay, first of all, first thing what you can tell, domain is set of all points where the function is defined. Okay. Now here this function is defined for all real numbers. So domain of the function is all real numbers. Okay. Now range. Now what we know? we know that mod x is always greater than or equal to 0. Range of mod x is always greater than or equal to 0. But mod x multiplied by negative sign, so mod x is always non-negative. Okay, mod x greater than or equal to 0, greater than or equal to 0 multiplied by negative sign, greater than or equal to 0 multiplied by negative sign is always less than or equal to 0. Okay, so f of x is always less than or equal to 0. F of x is always less than or equal to 0 for every real number. Okay, so here range of the function is always less than or equal to 0. Less than or equal to 0 means minus infinity to 0. Okay, so first of all, domain is what? Set of all points where the function is defined. This function is defined for all real numbers. Function is defined for all real numbers. So domain is all real numbers. What about range? Range is set of all values of the function. Okay, all values of the function. Now here f of x is always less than or equal to 0 because mod x is always greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0 quantity multiplied by negative sign is always less than or equal to 0. F of x always less than or equal to 0 here. So range is minus infinity to 0, means minus infinity to 0 included. Minus infinity to 0 included. But rough graph I drawn here. Okay, it is like this. Mod x graph already last class we drawn mod x graph. Okay, so negative of mod x means it's reverse graph you can consider. Okay, like this. Now graph is in third and fourth quadrant. Graph is in third and fourth quadrant. Now here in third quadrant both x ordinate negative, y ordinate negative. In fourth quadrant x ordinate positive, y ordinate negative. So x ordinate is positive and negative both. So domain is all real numbers. But domain means x ordinate, range means y ordinate. Okay. Now in third quadrant y ordinate negative, in fourth quadrant is also y ordinate negative. Also it is 0 at x is equal to 0. So range of the function is all, not all real numbers. Range of the function is all negative numbers as well as 0. So range of the function is minus infinity to 0. 0 included. Okay, but domain of the function means what values we can give for the function where the function is defined. Okay, here you can give positive number, negative number, 0, any number you can give. This is well defined quantity. Okay, so domain is all real numbers. Range mod x is always non-negative. So this is always non-negative. Non-negative multiplied by negative sign. So it is always less than or equal to 0. Less than or equal to 0. So range is always less than or equal to 0, means minus infinity to 0. Okay. So domain is all real numbers, range is minus infinity to 0. Second one, f of x is equal to square root of 9 minus x square. F of x is equal to square root of 9 minus x square. Now here function is defined whenever inside the square root is greater than or equal to 0. Suppose inside square root if you have negative number, what will happen? Square root of negative number is not a real number. Here we are discussing real functions. So real functions means it has to give real number. Now suppose if I write x value as 10, for example, x value as 10, so what will happen? 9 minus 10 square. 9 minus 10 square. 10 square is 100, no? So 9 minus 100 is how much? 9 minus 100 is minus 91. So square root of minus 91, it is not a real number. It is not a real number. So this function is defined, this function f of x equal to square root of 9 minus x square is defined whenever this inside quantity is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, greater than or equal to 0 means 9 minus x square greater than or equal to 0. So 9 minus x square greater than or equal to 0, 9 minus x square greater than or equal to 0 means 9 minus x square nothing but 3 square minus x square greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so 3 minus x into 3 plus x greater than or equal to 0. Okay, now if you consider, here we have two roots, here you have something like this graph. Okay, this is 0 when x is equal to 3. Okay, this is 0 when x is equal to minus 3. Graph something like this. You have graph, rough graph, something like this. Okay, so here function is defined for x value from minus 3 to plus 3. So domain of the function is minus 3 to plus 3, minus 3 to plus 3. So minus 3 included as well as plus 3 is also included. So this function is defined only for the real numbers from minus 3 to plus 3. Okay, so since square root of 9 minus x square defined for all real numbers greater than or equal to minus 3 and less than or equal to 3, domain of the function is minus 3 to plus 3 closed interval. Because if you give any number above 3 or less than minus 3, for example you consider x is equal to minus 4, okay, x is equal to 4, okay, so 9 minus 4 square, 9 minus 16 is minus 7, so square root of minus 7 is not defined, no. So this function is defined only when inside quantity is non-negative. So 9 minus x square greater than or equal to 0. So 9 minus x square greater than or equal to 0 means 3 minus x into 3 plus x greater than or equal to 0. Okay, function is defined only for the numbers greater than or equal to minus 3 and less than or equal to plus 3. Okay, so domain of the function is closed interval minus 3 to plus 3. But domain of the function means set of all points where the function is defined. Set of all points where the function is defined. So this function is defined only for the numbers greater than or equal to minus 3 and less than or equal to 3. Okay, greater than or equal to minus 3 and less than or equal to 3. So domain of the function is closed interval minus 3 to plus 3. Okay. Now if you take x value from minus 3 to plus 3, okay, x value minus 3 to plus 3. Now if you consider x value minus 3, so what we get? Square root of 9 minus 3 whole square. So square root of 9 minus 9, square root of 0, nothing but 0. So when x is equal to 3 or x is equal to minus 3, f of 3 value or f of minus 3 value both are equal to 0. Okay, like this. And when x is equal to 0, square root of 9 minus 0, square root of 9 minus 0 is square root of 9, square root of 9 is 3. So when x is equal to 0, f of x value is how much? 3. So this function ranges from 0 to 3. Okay, this function ranges from 0 to 3. Now here domain of the function is minus 3 to 3. Now by giving different values from minus 3 to 3, how the function square root of 9 minus x square is changing? Suppose if I give x value minus 3, okay, so what we'll get here? F of minus 3 is equal to 0. Suppose if I give f of minus 2, f of minus 2 is how much? 9 minus 4, 9 minus 4 is 5, square root of 5. Okay, f of minus 1, how much? Square root of 9 minus 1, square root of 8. F of 0, how much? Square root of 9, square root of 9 is nothing but 3. Okay, so minimum value what you are getting? 0. Maximum value what you are getting? 3. By giving different values between minus 3 to plus 3, f of x is equal to square root of 9 minus x square, giving values between 0 to 3. So minimum value is 0 and maximum value is 3. Okay, that is the range of the function. That is the range of the function. Okay. Next question. Function f is defined by f of x equal to 2x minus 5. F of x equal to 2x minus 5. Write down the values f of 0, f of 7 and f of minus 3. Now f of 0 means in place of variable you write 0. F of 1 means in place of variable x you write 1. F of 2 means in place of variable x you write 2. F of 10 means in place of variable x you write 10. Okay. Now f of 0 is how much? 2 into 0 minus 5, nothing but minus 5. F of 7 in place of x if you write 7, 2 into 7 minus 5. So 14 minus 5, 9. F of minus 3 is how much? 2 into minus 3, minus 5. So minus 6 minus 5, minus 11. So like this you can find function value at any point, okay, in the domain of the function. So here for this function is domain is all real numbers, so you can find at any value, f of 0, f of 1, f of 2, f of 3, f of minus 1, f of minus 2, f of minus 3, f of minus 4, all values you can find. Okay, next question. The function T which maps temperature in degree Celsius to temperature in degree Fahrenheit. Okay, degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit defined by T of C is equal to 9C upon 5 plus 32. Okay, T of C is equal to 9C upon 5 plus 32. How to find T of 0, T of 28, T of minus 10. Okay, so it is nothing but in place of variable C you write 0, 28, minus 10. Okay, next fourth one, the value of C when T of C is equal to 212. Value of C when T of C is equal to 212. So first question, first what is given here? T of C is equal to 9C upon 5 plus 32. 9C upon 5 plus 32. Okay, so T of 0 in place of variable you write 0. So T of 0 is equal to how much? 9 into 0 by 5 plus 32, nothing but 32. Okay, next T of 28. So in place of variable C write 28. So 9 into 28 upon 5 plus 32. So how much it is? 28 into 9, 252. Okay, 252 upon 5 plus 32. So 32 we can write as 160 upon 5. LCM is 5. Okay, 252 plus 160, nothing but 412 upon 5. 412 upon 5. Okay, next T of minus 10. T of minus 10 means in place of variable C will write minus 10. So what will get? T of minus 10 is equal to 9 into C, in place of C will write minus 10 upon 5 plus 32. 5 ones and 5 twos. So 9 into minus 2. 9 into minus 2, minus 18. Minus 18 plus 32. How much total? 14. Okay. So like this we can find T of 0, T of 1, T of 2, any value. Okay. Next, what is given? You have to find the value of C when T of C is equal to 212. So left hand side value is given as 212. Using this we have to find value of C. So given T of C is equal to 212. So 212 is equal to 9C upon 5 plus 32. Okay. So write 32 this side. 9C upon 5 is equal to 212 minus 32. So 9C upon 5 equal to 212 minus 32, how much? 180. 180. Okay. So 9C is equal to how much? 180 into 5. C is equal to how much? 180 into 5 by 9. 9 ones, 9 20s. Okay. So 5 into 20. So C is equal to how much? 100. Okay. So when T of C is equal to 212, C value is 100. Okay. Okay, ma?